What's up, y'all? This your girl, Zaza. Once more, I'm gonna sing Save Room by John Legend. I am in love with John Legend. That's one of my favorite singers. I don't know why. He's just great. So, I'm gonna sing his song, Save Room. I hope you like it. Here it goes. Say that you'll stay a little. Don't say bye-bye tonight. Say you'll be mine. Just a little bit of love is worth the moment of your time. Knocking on your door, just a little. So cold outside tonight. Let's get a fire. You're burning, oh I know. I'll keep it burning bright if you stay. Won't you stay, stay? Save room for my love. Save room for the moment to be with me. Save room for my love. Save a little. Save a little for me. Won't you save a little? Save a little for me. Oh.